I'm replacing the oil pan on this Allis Chalmers B engine. The original pan, the drain plug was missing, and this whole piece that it screws into was gone, so it's just a big giant hole in the bottom. When I took the pan off, there was a broken bolt in the block, and so I wanted to take that out to make sure I get a good seal with the gasket. And I went and welded a nut. I set the nut over the broken off bolt. It was broke off flush, and so I used this to kind of hold it next to the hole right in place where I wanted it, so it was right over it. And I used my Hobart handler, or 125 EZ, on the 3/8 inch 10 gauge setting, and I was able to get the nut to stick and get the broke off piece out. I had tried a little bit smaller nut to reduce the risk of actually welding onto the block, and then I had the welder set a little bit cooler for thinner metal, but I wasn't getting a good adhesion, so I went with the larger nut and the hotter setting, and it worked the first time on that. So thanks for watching.